and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show how to fix Venmo transfer fail. Firstly, what you can do is verify your bank and card info by information mismatch. Your Venmo account name, billing address, and bank account name must all match. Next, instant transfer limitations. Not all debit cards support instant transfer. Next, what you can do is update your app. You can update the app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. After you open Google Play Store, tap on search and start typing the app name and tap on update. And next you can do is clear cache. Tap on your device setting. After you tap on your device setting, scroll down, tap on apps and tap on app management. After this, what you can do is tap on Venmo app and tap on storage and tap on clear cache. Next is, if you are using a VPN, turn it off and try the transaction again. And next is service outage. And lastly, check account status and limits. Frozen accounts, if you have had previous payment fail or bounce, Venmo may temporarily freeze your account until the balance is recovered. And next is transfer limit. If you still have any questions, you can comment down below.